Hi, I'm Stephanie from Renovation Baby, and today I wanted to show you how I've transformed my laundry system for my family of 5 and 2 dogs. So we had these 2 small laundry baskets, lovely laundry baskets, did fine when the children were smaller, and now they're all wearing adults' clothes. So we had sort of piles of sheets and bedding and things like that we would have next to them. So I wanted to get a system where I could keep on top of the separating, because I've taught the children how to separate their darks from their lights from a young age, so they know which one. So I thought I'd get this 4 compartment one, and then we could go one step further, have more space and do more separates. So I ordered it from Amazon, priced at $52.99, and it comes in the box like this. So you will need to build it, but it's really simple to build and you don't need any electric tools or anything like that. You can do it just with Allen key. So it comes in separate parts like this, and they're all numbered and all labelled up with decent instructions, so you can easily put these together. So you can install the feet. The height goes up to 72 centimetres, but you can obviously adjust them slightly with these little feet if you want, because they just screw in. And then you need to attach the top section, which is already all put together, and it has the rail that goes front to back, so make sure you attach the correct way round. So you can do one end first. So I did this end first, attaching the top section on and attaching the bottom rail on, and this just gives you the support. So, and then you can do the other ends. So like I said, I used an electric screwdriver because we have one, but you can just use an Allen key and it can put together. So it was really easy to put together. So these are they actually come in 3 different colours: white, black and grey, and just black. It also comes in smaller ones with 3 compartments, and they had a few more colours available, but I've got mine in completely white. So this is it put together. It's 116 centimetres long, 33 centimetres deep. So these are the rails, so they just pull out straight out, and then you have the Velcro bags that the bags that you put the laundry in, and they just Velcro on. You can either carry them down the stairs by either lifting the Velcro off and holding them by the handles, or you can actually just take the whole framework out, and I'm planning on just taking the whole framework out, because then at least you're not deteriorating the Velcro. So then you can just carry them down the stairs like this in a frame, and it's nice and supportive, and it's not putting too much pressure on them. So this is what I loved, because you don't have to keep having different laundry baskets all the time. You can just have that same laundry basket and just fill it up, get the kids to learn what goes in which one, and then it's all ready to go. So you can just chuck it in the washing machine. So I'm super pleased with this. They hold 40 litres in each bag. And then I've just taught them to put sort of darks in one, colours in the other, whites in the others, and then jeans in the other one. So you could put sheets in the other ones. So yes, I'm really pleased with this. They pull out really easily enough, they carry easy enough, and price wise I think it was really reasonable. So you can use the top of the shelf on the top to store different you could put more baskets on there, so you could sort things into like tights, for instance, or more delicate items that you want to wash separately. So yeah, I think it looks really smart, it fits in nicely, and it's priced really well. So if you have a look in the description box below, you'll see my blog post and a link to where you can purchase the item for yourself. Thank you very much for watching.